Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we will be diving into some Layer 2, Layer 1 news, some testnet news. We got a bunch of good stuff from the past few weeks that I've been exploring, diving into. But first up on our list today, we got ZetaChain. They're still pushing new partnerships. Here recently, well, today actually, they announced a partnership with Meta CRM. So ZetaChain is getting ready to launch their mainnet in the next few months, supposedly. So that's the plan. It was originally the end of Q2 or sometime Q2, and Q2 is now past, or we have one more month, I think. January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, yeah. So the goal is for ZetaChain to launch their mainnet Q2, which is they have till the end of the month, if not Q3, and they will have a token for their blockchain, for their network. So if you haven't interacted on the ZetaChain network, it might be too late now, but you never know. You might be able to get something. If you go here, just make some swaps, get transactions going. You can see I got 35 transactions. Been here almost a year, about 10 months. Just once a week or so. Make transaction, get points, and yeah, I say every 7 days you can get points. The ZetaChain, so the Web3 CRM solution, Meta CRM, and Zetanite. If you don't know Zetanite, you can join the guild and get the Zetanite role for their Discord, and you can be rewarded for certain tasks and certain things that they do for the community. So in this case, Zetanites are eligible to complete the Killer Omnichain dApp Idea Contest to win $500 prize. Then you can see Meta CRM's official announcement here. They'll be honored to support ZetaChain on marketing campaigns and community management. Then you got BlockPi. So they're announcing a partnership with ZetaChain. And what do they do? So as infrastructure partner of ZetaChain, BlockPi will offer both the public RPC service and private RPC services with low latency and best possible performance based on BlockPi globally distributed network. Nice. So their RPC service. Now, if you don't know RPC, I don't remember the acronym. Something procedure call, where it's what you use to set up the network. So it calls the network, and that's the RPC URL. And that's basically where you get the network from, mainnet Optimism.io, and you get some networks that are not they're kind of corrupted, and shady transactions go on. Yeah, it's a lot easier to hack or get hacked when you're using more common RPCs or less secure RPCs. And if you want to find a good, other than BlockPi, Chainlist is good. They have a lot of RPCs available that can show you the score, if it's any good, or the privacy. Just some cool tips. Oh, I closed out of there. I did not want to close out of there. Boom. We back. We back. Next partnership they got is Amaze Wallet joins their multi-chain wallet launch partner ecosystem and adds support for Testnet. And then we have payment distribution app CoinSender adding support for Testnet. And I think this one, was this it? Yeah, let me see. They had some announcement that I don't remember who it was or what it was. Okay. I had some stuff saved, but it just got lost. So CoinSender, let's see what they're, oh yeah, this is the, so you can test out. So I thought there was that you can swap money on here. Let me connect MetaMask. Check out this CoinSender. ZetaChain. Make sure you go to the testnet. NFT sender. I guess it looks like you can trade and swap and stuff on here. But it doesn't look like, nope. I think it might be the next one. Yeah, Crest Protocol. So Crest is the latest DeFi app where you can swap tokens and stuff. Now going on here, connect your MetaMask. Make sure you're on the ZetaChain network. All that good stuff. You can trade on here. They got farms. I don't think... Oh, now they have it. Okay. Oh no, I was playing with this the other day, and I went to put in some liquidity, but let me turn that off. Oh, my liquidity was added. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't working the other day. So go in here, play around with this stuff. Help you rack up some transactions on the network. And what was it? Oh, Magic Square. So this looks like you can vote for it to be in the store. Oh, validation voting. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Explore the latest projects under validation on the Magic Store and earn rewards for voting. Interesting. That's cool. Now, this last one on ZetaChain is ZK.me. And they have the first 10,000 holders will get early access to the Testnet app. Who will be the chosen ones? So you can join now to get this Testnet O. There's only 10,000 available. And 9,500 have been minted, less than 500 left. 50 winners will be randomly selected to share 500 USDC. And let's see. Just got to do some of this stuff. ZK Space users, you got to follow this right here. Like the tweet, follow them, quote and mention 3 people. They don't have to be your people, like your friends, but just anyone. Join their Discord. This one you got to have the passport. If you don't have one, we did a video in the past on how to get one, and ZetaChain followers, so you can get the oat and be eligible for 500 USDC. Then next up, big news from Taiko. It's been a few months. It has been a few months since we've heard much from Taiko. But we are excited to share that the Taiko Alpha-3 Testnet is live. This marks a significant milestone on our journey towards a decentralized Ethereum equivalent ZK EVM. This testnet will be critical in testing much of the network design and components. So let's dive in. So full Alpha 3 launch details in our blog post. But relative to Alpha 2, major changes are new protocol economics, design, and implementation. Both proposers and provers are permissionless. Alpha 1 had only permissionless proposers. Alpha 2 had only permissionless provers. Support Taiko inception layers, L3. All right, now that we got this annoying construction noise. So we test how both proposers and provers interact with each other and with the protocol, driven only by protocol economic incentives. Taiko inception layers L3. Another significant feature to test is deploying Taiko on top of Taiko as an L3. Something we submit is maximally simple owing to the reusability of the Type 1 design. We'll conduct this in a few weeks' time. There's Ethereum layer 1. Okay, so there's the layer 2 and then layer 3 where different transactions are split up. So Taiko remains open to all devs to deploy smart contracts, all users to send and play around with transactions, anyone to run an L2 node. To accomplish the goal of testing the new protocol economics design, Alpha 3 will be an incentivized testnet. Ooh! We test how both permissionless proposers and provers act in a mainnet simulated environment where they act rationally according to the protocol fees rewards. Simulating a mainnet environment with permissionless economic activity is not so simple on a testnet due to lack of real value assets. And we do our best as follows. We establish TTKO, test tokens. Proposers need to pay in this token to propose blocks. We will seed Alpha 1 and 2 testnet participants with TTKO testnet tokens. See the blog post for more details. And to avoid spam proposing blocks, we openly signaled that TTKO balance will be among the inputs rewarding network participants come mainnet. Okay, so the TTKO balance will be among the inputs rewarding network participants. So keep that in mind. We do not provide more information on it to how because we have not conceived of it. We also signal that useful and rational block building would be among the inputs rewarding network participants come mainnet time. We do not provide a specific formula because doing so would render any formulas a gameable goal. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to put out too much information on airdrops or incentivized stuff because you want people to do whatever they can, whatever they think will be a viable option to qualify for certain incentivized rewards. Because if you know the formula, you're gonna game it, and people are gonna be screwed who are actually trying to help. So the idea is, imagine you're a roll-up proposer trying to maximize the real L2 fees you earn. The L1 environment is the Ethereum testnet. You should only participate if you are keen to help Taiko to test a technical design. Reward or profit considerations, if any, will heavily depend on a variety of factors and is in no way guaranteed. Certain assumptions used may not reflect reality or the duration of testnet period. Protocol flaws can be found and mainnet time is uncertain. We reserve the right to adjust the program. Our ultimate goal is to test permissionless proposing and proving in a ZK rollup. Again, you should only participate if you are keen to help the network test a technical design, basically for science. For science! We expect Alpha-3 to be a longer-lived testnet. This way, community builders, Ethereum ecosystem projects, and other partners can deploy and integrate in a steadier state. However, please be aware that in some cases, a regenesis may still be required. We're super excited for you to deploy dApps, become block proposers, provers, or any other contributions to our community and mission. You can find all that stuff here. And bada boom, Taiko, mirror. So Taiko, dropping some big stuff for the testnet. And they have guides and stuff that you can go through to set up all the new things. Let's see. Yeah. A little more in-depth stuff. Now, I don't have I have a GitHub, but yeah, where can we go to set up the testnet? Connect your wallet. I wonder if they... Yep. So yeah, we're going to go to Chainlist and include testnets. Taiko. And we will connect our wallet. You want the testnet, Alpha-3 Testnet. Bada boom. And then you can go through there and I'll make a video going through the Taiko layer 3 stuff. Or testnet 3. But Venom blockchain, just a quick update on this. They have a new task out for their testnet ecosystem. Numi, the first anime metaverse on Venom blockchain. So you can go check that out. Do the tasks here. Oh. I haven't done them yet, because I just found out about it. But check that out if you're traveling through this achievement list. And Linea has week 6 of their Linea Voyage. Week 6 of 9. 6, 9. This week is very simple. It's just some more community stuff. My ears are popping. So this, you have an opportunity to boost your knowledge of the layer 2 landscape. They'll ask some questions. Have you checked some stuff out? You got to watch part of their Twitter spaces. It'll be on YouTube. That's all right. We'll go through this another time, because I don't have time to go through all these. So we will continue. Make sure you go through all these and do them. You have until the 11th. So Bravos, if you're following along on the Starknet, they started step 4 of their Starknet Journey campaign. And you can claim your other last week's in your account. You can go here, claim the NFT, and as a bonus, they'll give you the first one. Oh, and you go to Zeely and they'll give you an OG roll. So Bravos, another wallet for Starknet. Haven't spent too much time on it. It looks pretty intuitive. And last up, I don't know if you've been doing the layer 3, but in my layer 3 videos, I completed the Alpha Insiders quest. There's a snapshot, and rewards will be announced soon. A summer one. This is a spring campaign. They have one that they said that will be summer campaign, and you'll have another chance. Now I wanted to check Argent, see where they're at on their quest. Yeah, I haven't really seen much from Argent. Not since June 1st. I'm not sure when the quest is supposed to end. Yeah, go to Zeely. Zeely has a lot of community-based interactive stuff, interactive tasks and things. This is mainly to just get special roles and discords and access to certain things. So Starknet address, where is my Bravos? There we go. Go ahead and put that in there. Bada boom. And I think I'll claim that later. Go in here and they got all kinds of fun stuff you can get. Level up. See the leaderboard. Dang. Yeah. Check that out. And we'll go check this out. Is layer swap ready? Okay, yesterday was the final day. Snapshot has been taken. So week 5 is in the books. And we have 3 more, week 6, 7, and 8. So be on the lookout for that. Lots of cool stuff. Lots of great things to get involved with and keep your mind away from all the FUD with the SEC and Binance and Coinbase, and it's just not a great time for mainstream news, but it is what it is. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling, covering all kinds of cool stuff. And layer 0 now live on Arbitrum Nova. Wow. Yeah, a lot of this Binance attack is not. It's all FUD. It's all FUD. And this fool right here, Jim Cramer, doesn't know anything. Anything. Oh, look. Rhino 5. Also, if you haven't checked out Rhino 5, they get a good platform. Offers a lot of stuff. Not sure. During the campaign period. Oh, so this is the campaign period. Sick. Looks like I will... Yeah, bridge funds. Go ahead and like and retweet this. I just like doing all kinds of these weird quests and tasks. Gives me more reach throughout the space. Gives me a lot more to be involved in and more chances to get rewarded for doing certain things.